Okay, so let's work on that thrift store find that I found, which is a wood planter box, the gardening tools. This one I purchased at Thrift City for $3.99. Let's open this up. So far we have the planter. It says our purpose is people. We have some Coleus Rainbow Mix. Coleus Rainbow Mix as well. And I take it they're all going to be Coleus. Yes. Okay. So here's a little burlap. That's so cute. Look at that. That's one. Here's the other. And then the other one. So that's three. I think if this is that peat moss. If I'm not mistaken, this should go at the bottom. Like so. Unless I'm supposed to, let's see, peat pallets. Oh, okay, it's called peat pallets. I guess we just put them in, right? Okay, so it goes in like that, and I think I need to add water, so let me go get the water. Okay, so I'm just going to experiment with this because I'm trying one out, and I think I need to take the little casing out of here. I'm not sure if it dissolves or not, but we're just going to take it apart. So that's dirt right there, so I'm going to put it in here, but I'm thinking I need to put it in a container because this is not going to hold, and just add water. Okay, we start on this one first, so that's how it looks. Let's add a little bit more water. I think containing it in a cup is much better since it's seeping out from this little, this actually rises, so. While we wait for that to kind of soak up, and I'll break it down a bit, I'm gonna just kind of protect this. I know I'm not gonna be able to protect it completely, but I found this little plastic, so I'm just going to add some plastic, and then I'll add some of this black like the ground cover, the black ground. I have another piece right now. Okay, so that plastic I'm gonna trim a little. Same thing with this ground cover. I'm just gonna have a little bit there. Okay, so I trimmed it. Now let's get the first bag that's somewhat already broken down. So that looks good. That's soil. Let's check the next one. Let's see this one. That's getting there. The second one looks good to go as well. Let's pop that one in. Let's add more water to this one. Let's check on it. Just leave that. That one's pretty much ready. Let's plop that in here. Okay, so I'm out here gardening and my daughter just made me some lemonade. Super good. That is super good. No.
The lemon messed up.
Okay, now I want a margarita in this cup. Here, take this and it's so good. Sorry for the messy hair, messy bun. We're just gardening. Okay, so let's proceed by putting the seeds in. Start with the first one. Oh, they're really small. I wonder if I'm supposed to put the whole packet in. See, what does it say here? Sell by 6/20/23. Well, I better, because doesn't the germination rate lower after the expiration date? I'm not sure. So that's one packet. It came with 3, so let's just do it. third one. I mean the second one. Third one. So drizzle a little bit of water, even though it was still, I soiled this up really, or I wet this soil a lot, so I don't think it needs much. And then we could put here that it's the Coleus Rainbow Mix. Let me go get a Sharpie. Okay. Let's set them here. I mean, I could have just put one, but it looks super cute with all three, right? There it is. Let's go set it in the garden. Oh. Let's set it in the, sorry for the shaking. Let's set it in our veggie garden area on the table, which my arrangement is ready for me to refresh, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. We'll just set it down, I would say here on the table for now. I'll get a new one started. But yeah, we can leave it there. So perfect. Thank you all so much for joining me. Stay tuned for the next video. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye, y'all.